and our achievements at CA or CMA final level. So we are proud of our students who are bringing laurels to this organization through their achievements. Definitely, much of the credit goes to the student. I'll agree. Much of the credit goes to the student, because we know that we are just acting as a catalyst. We are just acting as a catalyst. We are just providing a platform where the students can flourish. So our achievements, this is our 25th session of CA or CMA final. That means we are conducting the CA final coaching in a consistent manner. And if you observe, very few institutions are able to offer CA and CMA final coaching in a consistent manner in both the Telugu states. So in every session, in every batch, we are getting around 2000 CA final admissions. And for example, in November 2019 session, we got 2000 CA final admissions, either for the sake of coaching or for the sake of revision exams and study hours in Guntur as well as all branches together. And so we are definitely proud of our student, Mr. Guram Praneeth, who achieved All India first rank at CA final results, which were announced in Jan 2021. He's our old student. So thanks to our Chief Minister, Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, so to felicitate him, and even our admin advisor Mohan sir has also felicitated him. And in just one single year, that is 2020 year itself, our students are able to bag 3 All India first ranks. So one is at CA final level, another one is at CMA final level, another one is at CMA inter level. And in a single results of January 2021 attempt, our students are able to achieve 98 All India ranks at CA and CMA final level, and including All India first and second ranks. And our students are able to achieve 9 All India ranks in CA final results of 2020 year alone. And our students are able to bag 8 All India ranks at CA final level in the CA final results of 2021 itself. And our single digit ranks at CA final level are All India first, fourth and ninth. And 44 All India ranks, that is the ranks our students have achieved at CA final level in the last 8 attempts itself. And our students are able to achieve first rank for 46 times in various courses for which we are offering coaching. Until now, more than 973 ranks, these are the cumulative ranks, All India ranks that our students have achieved at CA and CMA final level till now. And we are proud to say that, so we are getting support not only from the students of Andhra and Telangana, but even from other states, like we are getting admissions even from Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Uttarakhand, so Bihar, so from Assam, Odisha. From all these states, students are joining with us. Earlier, students used to come with us only for study hours and revision exams. But now, we are getting admissions from all these states even for our CA final coaching. That is one good beauty that we have noticed. And please watch a short video of one of our old student, Mr. Padmanabhan, who came all the way from Tamil Nadu to take coaching for CA final physically in Guntur. Please let us see his opinion.
Hello everyone, this is Padmanabhan from Tamil Nadu. I am a qualified chartered accountant. I did classes and revision hours here in Masterminds. So I first of all thank the directors and the faculty team and the whole team of Masterminds for making my dream come true. So today I am a chartered accountant. It's only because of the effort what they gave. So it's all because of Masterminds. So first of all, I chose Masterminds. It's because that you can have all 8 subjects coaching to be done under one roof. So that's the main advantage what I had here. And elsewhere, if you go for coaching, people will be there around 800 or 700. You will not have the one-to-one attention from the faculty. The second point is that the faculty team here had given personal attention for each and every one. So the other thing is revision exams which is being conducted at Masterminds is totally it was a boon for the success, and it's only because of that revision hours I cleared. So writing test on Wednesday and Sunday, it becomes a mechanical part of the life, and when you go for the final exams, that it means the public exam, it seems to be the class test which you approach on each and every Wednesday and Sunday. So I wholeheartedly thank Masterminds for giving me the great success to come true, because at one end I was preparing of my own before it's around 2018 batch I came here. So right to 2015 is my attempt. So I started preparing from 2015 and till 2018 I was writing of my own, but I couldn't clear. So I wrote for 3 attempts. Those 3 attempts I failed, and that too badly. Only because of the Masterminds team and other things, I totally cleared now. And I'm not exaggerating things. It's totally my personal experience which I had, and I'm sharing the same with you. I'm sharing this because someone should get benefited out of it, because I got benefited only because of Mastermind. So much people are getting struggling to clear the CA final. So I plead to each and everyone that you choose Masterminds and wholeheartedly study, stick on with Masterminds, and do. You'll definitely get through this CA. Thank you. Hello.
That's whatever his opinion is. Please join with us by looking at our commitment, our hard work, and the quality of services. Please don't join it with us just by looking at our ranks. I sincerely request you in this regard. So we are proud to say that several students from other states are also joining with our institution, not only for revision exams and study awards, but also for regular batches. And please share this video to your friends. They may not join with us, but they must be aware of some important points that are discussed in this video. So all the best, my dear students. If you have any doubts and if you want to interact with me directly, I'm sharing my mail ID in the description of this video. You can mail to me. So please specify your mobile number also in the mail, so that if needed, I will make a call to you and interact with you. And my dear students, I am also leaving a link of the sample videos of all our faculty members in the description of this video itself. Please do watch the same. All the best, my dear students.